Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Rosanne, and today let's learn about the number that's hiding behind this card. There's a question mark and it asks, huh? Let's figure it out together. Let's use my long, brown, wooden stick to count from number 1. Then we will end up right here on this spot, which is in between the numbers 21 and 23. You see this, guys? This means it's the last day of our school year. But that's for tomorrow. Tears go away. Let's count how many days have passed this month of April and end up right here when we reach the yellow question mark. Can we do that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and then comes 22. 22 is the number that we are looking for. Let's make sure. Yes, it does say 22. Lift the finger up in the air. While you trace, I will erase. There are two number 2s right here and they say 22. So we are going to go around, down, and out. And repeat the same strokes. We are going to go around, down, and out. 22. 22 is going to take a field trip and it's going to go in between the month of April and the year 2021. Let's find out what day number 22 falls under. When I go up and check, it is the letter T, which is the pink card over here. This pink card has a letter combination, if you will remember, T and H. When we say the combination sound of T and H, we end up with. Can you do that for me? Can you do that? There is one day this week, or any week for that matter, that has that sound in it. Let's sing the song and figure it out together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The day of the week that we are looking for is Thursday. Today, we are counting what color? We are counting green buttons. Can you point to the green buttons? Now it's time to count to 22. And we will stop counting when we reach that number. So you have to listen for that number, okay? Are you ready? Let's count to 22 together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and the last one is 22. I have no more on my palm. All 22 buttons are inside my container. Thank you for counting with me. It's time to read the date and the day. Here we go. Today is April 22, 2021. And today is a Thursday. Oh my gosh, guys. After tomorrow, school will be done. We have one more sleep to go from today to tomorrow. And after tomorrow, school will have ended. There will be no more classes for us this school year. And I will see you for the summer. I hope you enjoyed how I taught and how I was able to make things as fun as I could And I will always want to hear from you, okay? Remember to like and subscribe. Teacher Rosanne and Starlettah are both on YouTube and on Instagram or IG. I hope to see you soon. Bye!